Rare, original and unique research talk from model farmer of India by name G. Satish Babu. Let us give him a big hand. He has dispelled the magic of a culture called agriculture. This we must accept. He has criticized the interference of corporate sector into a unique profession called agriculture in India. Ever since our childhood, we study that agriculture itself is the culture of India. India is basically an agricultural country. Today, the one profession that is denied any importance from any governmental policy is only agriculture, which I have understood out of his anguish. People are acclimatized to pay huge amounts of money to whatever branded food, unsure of its guarantee and characteristics of standards and quality. His anguish has expressed that the true farmer of India is not supported. Only farmers next to soldiers in a country called India, or for that matter in any nation, are true to their conduct in terms of discharging their profession. I thank J. Satish Babu Garu for his responsible attitude in making his research findings out of practical agriculture on his part to answer our queries that came from audience here and there. One question from audience which has made me come here and talk to you is, two inquirers asked him as to what exactly we do mean by organic food. Sir has replied, when I said he has replied, I have a special esteem for his English. Nowhere in India, when a public representative called Sarpanch, when invited to speak on 26th January Republic Day greetings or 15th August, and unlettered people or Sarpanch are elected to the post of Sarpanch today in many villages across India. And when they are not, they are lacking in a language called English, but this farmer has proved excellent in terms of delivering good English. As a language teacher sitting there, I was really enjoying his structure and texture that is infused into his lecture. Give him a big hand. I was telling my friend Lata from KL University and Mohan Acharyalu and Jaya Madam from American College Madurai, though we teachers sometimes fail to produce the quality of English which G. Satish Babu has produced. Our language teachers, if they are there in this audience, they have to learn that the clarity of thought in one's mind definitely amounts to and accounts to the expression quality. Satish Babu sir, as being a professor of English, I bend my head in reverence to your good English. First I was fascinated by his choosy words, his skeletal structures of English, imbibing content words, really sent communication to the audience without fail. His communication, though targeted at understanding, at least he has not made us misunderstood his communication. That is the success of communication.
Correct.
And regarding organic food, he has only told us there may be a mechanized process involving scientific ingredients to be infused into farming and agriculture. We are doing agriculture in its black and white function and purpose. That itself can be labeled as organic structure. Organic food is not food that is dropped from sky. Organic food is food which is produced out of this good soil by putting in enough industry based on old ancient original methods. That is perhaps what he exactly means by saying organic food without ever supplementing catalyzing agents, without ever supplying catalyst agents. If one does agriculture and the product can be labeled as organic food, that what he has exactly intended to say. Sir, I really take pride in talking about your good presentation. You are not just a model farmer, you are an ideal specimen farmer of India. Because have we ever seen a professional, thanks to Mr. Ratnakar for bringing such agriculture engineers to this class? Because he himself does agriculture, so his talk has emerged from a great resource called experience. So, friends, there is no greater teacher in India or elsewhere than a teacher called experience. Experience is a hard teacher. It puts the test first and then teaches a lesson. Teacher is a normal teacher. He teaches lesson first and then puts the test. That makes the difference. Thank you very much, sir. I now invite Director and the CEO of IMRF to come forward to this august dais to felicitate G. Satish Babu Garu for his thought-provoking lecture and eye-opening lecture towards agriculture and farming. Thank you.
If anything that I speak one word, that would be lesser to what Professor Rambhaskar sir has explained or termed the present talk. Sir, thank you very much, sir, for concluding remarks. And hope by now you might have understood